Now we have to use the same trail where we going down to the waterfall, and on return back we have to climb up the hill. We are using the same trail, so this will take us at least 30 minutes or more to reach to the top of the hill. On something, pikir teh blackthorn, rupanya is a dry durian sahaja. Sambil santai-santai hiking, jangan lupa juga to be more observant untuk melihat along the trail kiri dan kanan dan di kawasannya, and spend a bit of the time untuk capture the beautiful flora and fauna offered by the trail. So now kami menyimpang tempat yang menuju for the next waterfall, dan dipahamkan oleh guide tadi ni akan menurun bukit sampai di sungai. Lebih panjang bukitnya akan dituruni than the previous one. We'll see. So the journey continue. Kedengaran sudah bunyi air, so which mean that we are almost there, sampai di kaki bukit, dan seterusnya akan sampai ke waterfall yang dihajati untuk hari ini. Nah, kenampakan sudah salah satu daripada waterfallnya. Dalam di sini actually satu tempat ada 3 buting waterfallnya. Karang Maryville. Reveal the waterfall. Nah, lawa ya punya air terjunnya ada 3 buting dalam satu tempat. That's why it's called the Three Sister, ataupun nama benarnya Keluan Waterfall, Longsan, Ulu Baram, Sarawak. And now let's enjoy this waterfall sambil bergambar-gambar video juga to record all the memories supaya akan dapat dikenangkan nanti di hari akan datang yang pernah sudah sampai di tempat ini. time to go back to the homestay. Very nice that place now. Selepas tadi main waterfall, berbasah sudah. So kalau anda careful boleh terkrem kaki olehnya ni. Tapi most important is just do it slow and steady. So at this time I was among the last person in the group to go back to the top of the hill. So this take the opportunity for me to do my video. So I go up and then I'll go down lagi to pick up the phone and then use my tripod to capture some of this video. So memangnya macam berdouble sedikit perjalanan for me to go up the hill because I'm keep on going up and going down to do my video. Yang penting enjoy. Sudah sampai everyone. Okay.
We go for second round to Ulong Biong. Bilong can guide us. Bilong.
That's one of the mountain, 1,400 meters plus according to the guide. That's the end of our first day. No, second day was our adventure. So I've been planning for this for many months. Us Lee managed to come over here and really what else should I say? Just that. So it's thumb up. So beautiful. Really enjoy it. Enjoy for everything, not only the waterfall but the journey going there. So 4-wheel drive and then hiking up down the hill till we reach to the waterfall. Should come here. You will not regret. Come here. Recommended. Okay, let's enjoy the 4-wheel drive.
Yes.
Yes, at the back of the 4-wheel drive now. Let's do it.
Yay.
Yay. Let's go.
Okay.
Right. At the back. We enjoying the scenery.
Borneo.
Yes.
Borneo jungle.
That's why we take advantage of to be at the back of the 4-wheel drive so that we can see everything. Okay, let's end the video with the music from the Borneo from an instrument called sapi.